Before you even launch your website, you should set up a Facebook Business Manager account and install the Facebook Pixel on your website. Now, if your site's already up and running, you should get that installed today. Every bit of traffic you get is valuable, especially when you're first getting started. So getting tracking code on your site early allows you to later use that information from that traffic, because let's face it, Facebook appears to know everything about everyone, right? But specifically, here are 3 ways you can use that information as a business owner. Number 1, you can remarket to your visitors with ads. And this is where you specifically show ads to people who have visited your website to encourage them to return and buy something. This is really valuable because very few people buy the first time they visit any website. So getting them back to your site is important. And these ads often are set up to automatically show a visitor a specific item they looked at on your website for a period of several days, and they're really effective. Okay, number 2, you can create custom audiences based on how someone used your website and segment your visitors for specific ad campaigns in the future. So did someone sign up for your email list? If not, you could design a campaign to encourage them to do so. Did they visit certain product pages? You can arrange to have a video appear in their Facebook feed that helps them understand how to use that product. Okay, number 3, you can create lookalike audiences, and this is so powerful. Facebook can show your ads, videos, suggest your website, or suggest your Facebook page to other people who are very similar to those who visited your website. So for example, Facebook can easily figure out that women between 25 and 35 who own cats and like buying cat brushes are your best customers. This allows them to then run ads directly to people who fit that criteria. Hopefully I've convinced you that having this tracking code on your site is really valuable. It only takes a few minutes to set up an account and install the Pixel. Go do that today. And for more tips, visit SavvyBusinessMethod.com, download the Savvy Business Method podcast, or check us out on Facebook and YouTube.